Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazement right here, and basically what this is a pre-seasoned 10.5-inch cast iron grill pan that comes with a glass lid, which is pretty cool. And we see it from this brand right here. So basically, we see it from this picture right here. This is basically everything that's included in this package right here. And for this product, you can definitely use it in the oven. You can definitely use it on a stovetop. You can definitely use it on a grill as well. And you can definitely use it on a campfire. And you guys can also use it on an induction cooktop as well, which is definitely pretty cool. So this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like inside. Let's take it out. So like I mentioned, for the product actually comes with a glass lid, so you definitely want to be careful when you guys take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you definitely see the lid on top, and we do see the pan on bottom. So let's take everything out. Alright, so once we take out the lid, this is basically actually looks like right here. So you can see the material on here definitely is glass. It is a high quality tempered glass. And when you guys feel this part right here, it definitely gives you guys a very good grip on here. And definitely has like the non-slip material on here as well. So that way the product won't keep moving around when you guys put it down on a table like that. But you see right here, you can definitely see the brand logo right here. If we turn the other side right here, this is basically actually looks on this side right here. And then next up right here, we do have the pan and a bunch of accessories. So let's take everything out. Alright, so first thing we see right here, they do provide a silicone material right here for the handle option. So you can definitely actually put this onto the handle, so that way you guys don't have to worry about burning stuff when you guys touch the handle part. And then see right here, they do have the little opening. So if you guys want to hang this somewhere, you definitely can. Next step right here, they do provide a scraper. So you definitely use this to actually scrape the pan. And then right here, you can see they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and also how to maintain as well. And then last but not least, we do have the pan right here. That's all nicely wrapped. So let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So they do provide a piece of paper right here to show you guys how to maintain the product and how to clean it as well. And they also provide you guys some tips in terms of how to actually use it for your first time as well. And once you guys finish washing it, you definitely want to use a towel to actually wipe it down. Or if you guys want to turn on the heat on medium heat or high heat for it to actually dry out, you can definitely do that on here as well. But you definitely do not want to leave any water or liquid on here and let it air dry, because it actually will rust over time if you guys do that. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys take it out. If you can see right here, we do have the grill pan option right here with all the grill marks right here. And right here we do have the little handle option if you guys want to use this part right here. And on top right here, we do have the other handle option as well. So if you guys want to carry it here and carry it here, you definitely can. But see right here and right here, we do have the option for you guys to pour out stuff if you guys want to really easily. So if you guys are making soup, or if you guys have leftover juice from cooking your meat or whatever, you can definitely use that option right here to pour it out. And if you guys turn it on the other side, this actually looks on this side right here. So they do have the logo here as well. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely sounds like a high quality material on here. And definitely when you guys feel the overall weight of the product here, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it. But I should put on the lid to show you guys what it actually looks like together first. Alright, so once we put on the lid, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So definitely having the glass lid option on here completes the product. And also if you guys want to use this for like steaming stuff or stir frying stuff, you can definitely use the lid on here to cook it much faster as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now we should go test it out to show you guys how it works and when actually it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I just finished washing the actual product right here. If you can see, I actually have it set right here on top of an induction cooktop. So basically the product right now, if you can see, is still pretty wet. But I turned on the actual induction cooktop so that way we can actually warm it up and clear off the water first before I actually start cooking stuff. But basically for the handle option right here, like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the silicone option, you definitely can. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once we put it on, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like right here. And if you guys put the lid on top, let me show you guys what it actually looks like as well. Alright, so once we put on the lid, this is basically actually looks like right here. They do have the opening for the steam to come out. And this option right here also works as a pouring option to make it a lot easier for you guys to pour stuff as well, which is pretty cool. But definitely for the handle part right here, when you guys feel the part right here, it definitely feels pretty nice. And since it is a silicone handle, that way actually prevents it from getting hot when you guys are cooking stuff here as well. So let's start cooking stuff inside right here to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so let's add in the shrimp first to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so you can see how spacious the product is on here, and definitely makes it a lot easier for you guys to cook stuff or grill stuff on here. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to cook it even faster, you can definitely put on the lid as well. So we put on the lid, you can definitely see how much steam it's actually producing on here. But what I really like about this lid right here is the fact that when you guys open it up, you can definitely put it flat down like this because of the way how they designed the silicone part right here of the handle part. So obviously if you guys want more of grill mark, you can leave it a bit longer. But you see the product here definitely does work if you guys want to grill stuff on here. And once you guys are done cooking the product, you can definitely use the handle right here and that part as well to bring it over your table. But if you guys use this handle part right here, you do need a cover. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you can see, it definitely does work. Alright, so basically when you guys are done using the product, if you guys need to clean it off, you guys can use the scraper that they provide for you guys right here. Alright, so once you guys finish washing the product, you can basically wipe it down. Or if you guys want to put it on stove top and actually heat it up so that way all the water can be gone, you can definitely do that as well. But you see the product definitely does work and it's super easy to actually clean as well. If you guys use a scraper and a sponge to actually use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now the quick test, our product definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. So if you guys want to use this for like grilling meat or grilling onions or basically grilling anything on here. But you see from the video, it definitely works really, really well if you guys want to grill stuff on here. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to like stir fry stuff on here as well, you can definitely do that on here. But definitely when you guys feel and use the product here, it definitely feels like a high quality material and definitely feels like a high quality product as well. And it definitely heats up really fast as well using the cast iron material on here. And it's actually really cool how the heat actually spreads out evenly when you guys are cooking stuff on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys love grilling stuff or stir frying stuff or just cooking stuff in general. And if you guys want to get something where you guys can use it indoor or outdoors, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.